Hello, I'm Dr. David Pearce, GP and Senior Research Fellow at the George Institute for Global Health. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the key features of the Torpedo web-based portal. This portal is accessible to all registered users allocated to the intervention arm in the Torpedo study. To go to the web portal, you will have been emailed the access details. Enter the URL here, and you'll be taken to the site. The Torpedo portal is managed by our collaborators, the Improvement Foundation. Enter your username and password details in here and click Log On. The first screen you'll see is the dashboard. Your health service details and your personal details are displayed here. Click Edit on either of these to update any of your information. You sign out by clicking over here, and you can also change your password if you need to by clicking here. This section here tells you when your data was last submitted for the Torpedo project. The next tab in your version of the web portal will say My Health Service. This displays the data that you are submitting. Click here and you'll be taken to a new page. Select month number and up pops a screen for all the data collection periods during the Torpedo study. These are spaced 1 month apart, and you can select the data collection period that you wish to view the data for. In this example, let's select the randomization data. Click OK, and a report will be generated now. Let's walk through this. On the left-hand side are the 6 key indicators that we are interested in for the Torpedo study. On the right-hand side is the results for that particular indicator. Let's look at an example at our first indicator, cardiovascular disease risk factor screening. At the top of the page, there will be some information about this indicator. What is the goal that we're trying to achieve? Who are the target population in whom we've extracted data and are measuring information? And what is needed to meet that goal? Below that are the results for your health service. And there are 2 graphs here. The first graph shows the performance of health services for that data collection period. Your health service will be coloured in the red bar, and all the other health services are ranked accordingly. You can see in this example that your health service has 70% of its eligible population with all of its cardiovascular risk factors measured and up to date. And this service is ranking number 3 in performance compared to the 16 services displayed here. The second graph below will show your trend in performance over the life of the trial. At the moment there are only 2 data collection periods displayed here, the data collected at pre-randomization and at randomization. Once again, your health service will be displayed in red, and you will be able to see the change in performance with each subsequent data collection period. You will then be able to view your performance averages compared to, in blue, the Aboriginal medical services participating in the study, and in green, the general practices participating in the study. It's important to note that data is being collected by health services over a period of time, and these graphs will change as more services add data to the portal. So please go back to it regularly and review how your performance is going as new data is uploaded. The third section in the web portal is a Resources tab. In here, you will find some useful information for the study. We have our online tutorial links here, a regularly updated frequently asked questions section here, some details about our core collaborators in the trial, the study protocol, and a link to the trial registry website, fact sheets and flyers that may be useful for use in your practice, and some presentations and publications that may be of interest for those wanting more detail. This resources section will be updated regularly, so please come back to it to see if any new information has been added. We look forward to receiving your feedback on the use of the portal, and please feel free to email us on torpedo@georgeinstitute.org.au to give us any suggestions to improve it. Thank you for your time.